So Owen, when you're looking at mixing and matching the country aesthetic, how do you go about doing that?
A lot of us are living in these sort of boxy, cooler apartments predominantly. We're looking at how we can introduce pieces of furniture into our homes that really kind of meld both of those worlds together. We're looking at things in contemporary sense like glass and squared off edges, and then we've got something over here like this credenza, which explain to me what that one's made of.
That's a European oak which has been painted the black with the wrought iron detailing underneath.
And it's quite a contrast, I guess, to this contemporary glass, sleek, minimal coffee table that we have here.
Absolutely. You can have something like the leather, which is soft and it's very durable, but you can use the throws and the rugs to soften it, which is what people want.
Warmth.
Yeah.
A big hug.
Yeah.